everyone, today I would like to show you these cute shoes. Will be great for spring and summertime. It comes in different colors. So this is my favorite white color. Will be great with skirt, with even with white pants and dress. I love this cute bow. Looks so stylish. Perfect heel size. Will be very comfortable to wear all day. And I love this soft insole. So let me try it. This is size 8 and I will show you how it's look like on me. I'm usually wearing size 7.5, but this size 8 fits perfectly. You can adjust the size right here as well. If you feet are wider, you can make it more bigger. Looks so cute, especially with white dress. Let me show you the mirror. So pretty. Oh my god, it looks so elegant, stylish and trendy, and it's actually suits for work as well. Perfect heels, so comfortable, lightweight actually, will be great for club, and looks so cute for date night. Love it. This is my outfit with the dress. Looks perfect. Oh my god, so cute. And it comes in many different colors. I love the white color so much. So comfortable, lightweight, and soft inside. Love it. Great quality, it's made perfect. This is the soft insole, cute ball, anti-slip bottom, and heel. Perfect size. Love them. Guys, I will send these cute heels for review and I will definitely recommend you to buy it if you're looking for yourself perfect and comfortable heels for wedding, anniversary, birthdays party, or just casual heels. I will definitely recommend you to check this one. I love the quality, beautiful designs, super comfortable and soft. You can find them on Amazon.